I'm making his life easy here, though, guys. Trying to simplify it for a monkey.
That's offensive, isn't it?
First things first, I want him to import whatever's on this SD card.
Hang on. You're taking the mic or something like that. It'll be locked or unlocked.
Go for the top one. I'll help you out with this bit.
So that's it. I need the 20th.
Would you like to phone a friend? Oh, there you go. You get a cheeky
Right,
little
there's a
clip of a
sneak
send as
preview,
well.
mate.
Nice. No. Well, you can do it like that,
Did I
but it's
nearly
going
have
to
that
take.
then?
You can do it like that, but it's going to take a lot of time. There you go.
Right,
there
right,
you go.
right,
there you
right,
go. We're learning. Baby steps, but we're learning. Scroll. 2 fingers.
Nice.
Remember how you dragged them? Or yeah, that was by accident, was it? Oh, we have progress. There you go.
I'm running it.
Are you proud of yourself? Well, it's just taking you 7 minutes. You can do that on your own, you reckon? You reckon?